Hello friends, welcome in YouTube channel. I am Samin Sheikh, working as an assistant professor at KVN Naik College, Nasik. In the last video, we have already focused on the protection of OS group by using 5 ways. Now, in this video, I will focus on the some conclusion, then also focus on the protection of 1,2-diol, 1,3-diol, aldehyde and ketones. Now discuss the first conclusion. If protection is take place in acidic condition, means protection is stable in acidic medium, then the protection take place in basic medium and vice versa. Generally, if protection is stable in acidic as well as basic medium, then the protection take place by using reducing agent, oxidizing agent, light or electron source. The steric effect play important role for protection. Now we will discuss the protection of 1,2-diol and 1,3-diol. The 1,2-diol is easily converted into ketal or acetal form. Therefore, protection is take place through formation of ketal, acetal or carbonate. Now, in this reaction, the OS is nucleophilic in nature, easily attack on carbonyl carbon. Then another OS attack on carbonyl carbon, then S2 molecule is removed. Hence, the protection is take place generally in acidic condition. Now, the first way, by formation of isopropyridine or acetonide. The 1,2-diol is react with acetone or vinyl ether or methyl ketal, then to form the acetonoid. It is called as 1,2-acetonoid, which are obtained from 1,2-diol. The 1,3-acetonoid obtained from 1,3-diol. The 1,2-acetonoid formation usually favor over the 1,3-acetonoid, means 1,2-diol easily protected than the 1,3-diol by using ketone in acidic condition. Now, the deprotection is take place in the mild aqueous acidic condition. This reaction is reversible. Now, the second way, the protection of 1,2-diol or 1,3-diol done by using cyclic ketone, either cyclopentadiene or cyclohexadiene, to form cyclopentadiene and cyclohexadiene. Cyclopentadiene are slightly easier to clear than the acetonoid, and cyclohexadiene are slightly harder to clear than acetonoid. Therefore, order of protection of 1,2 or 1,3-diol as cyclopentadiene easily deprotected than acetonoid than cyclohexadiene. Now, the next way, the protection of 1,2-diol by using the formation of benzidine acetal. This can be done when 1,2 or 1,3-diol react with benzaldehyde or benzyl acetal in acidic condition to form the benzidine acetal. 1,3-benzidine acetal formation is usually favor over the 1,2-benzidine, means the 1,3-diol easily protected if by using aldehyde, and 1,2-diol is easily protected when by using ketones. Now, the protection is take place in acidic hydrolysis or hydrogenolysis. The next way, in this way, the protection is take place similar like derivative, that is paramethoxy benzaldehyde or paramethoxy benzyl acetal. What is the advantage of this derivative? It can be fastly deprotected as compared to benzidine by 10 times. The next way, the protection of 1,2-diol and 1,3-diol can be done through formation of carbonate when 1,2-diol or 1,3-diol react with diimidazole carbonyl or gas or react with triphosgene. The structure of the triphosgene like this. Then to give the protection, it is stable in acidic condition and more difficult to hydrolyze than the ester. It is easily cured by using simple base. In this reaction, by using steric ammonium nitrate. Therefore, the protection can be done on this position, not the protected OBN, OMe. Therefore, use this product. Therefore, 1,3-diol is deprotected by using CAN. Now, the 1,3 or 1,4-diol is protected by using serine derivative. Generally, dihalogen serine are used for this purpose. The OS attack on this serine, then one serine is removed. Again, OS attack on this serine, then second halogen is removed to form the cyclic ring. This protection is more favorable for 1,3 and 1,4-diol as compared to 1,2-diol, and the protection is take place by using F- source such as hydrofluoric acid or tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride. Will not functionize tertiary alcohol. In this reaction, there are two types of OS. One is terminal OS, other is internal 1,2-diol. Then terminal 1,2-diol more frequently protected as compared to internal 1,2-diol due to steric hindrance. Now, let us discuss the protection of ketones and aldehyde. The ketones and aldehyde containing carbonyl group. The carbonyl group is electron deficient. Therefore, protection is done by formation of either cyclic or acyclic keter or aceter. It is also done by using the formation of diethion derivative. In case of cyclic acyclic keter, by using ketone react with in presence of alcohol and S plus, or ketone react with 1,2-diol in presence of S plus to form the 5-member ring containing oxygen. The 5-member ring containing dioxygen is called as 1,3-dioxolane, and the ketones is react with S plus in presence of 1,3-diol, then formation of the 6-member ring. The 6-member ring containing 2 oxygen, then it is called as 1,3-dioxane. Then cleavage rate for substituted 1,3-dioxane as like this. The more substituted dioxane are easily cleaved as compared to less substituted dioxane. Cleave means the protection. Now 1,3-dioxane, that is 6-member ring containing 2 oxygen, are fastly hydrolyzed than corresponding 1,3-dioxane 5-member rings. Means the 1,3-dioxane 6-member ring containing 2 oxygen are easily deprotected as compared to 1,3-dioxolane, that is containing 5-member ring by 2 oxygen. Now, how to form the diethion derivative? By using diethiol compound in presence of Lewis basic condition, and the protection can be done by using Hg2+, Hg4+, or N-bromosuccinamide, or in presence of iodine, or in presence of CAN, or in presence of methachlorobenzoic acid, or in presence of DDQ. Now, the order of the protection and the protection of the carbonyl group. The aldehyde is easily protected as compared to ketones. Ketones is easily protected as compared to 6-member cyclic ketone, then 5-member cyclic ketone, then alpha beta unsaturated ketones. Therefore, if compound containing aldehyde and ketone, therefore first aldehyde is protected or deprotected as compared to ketones. Now, consider the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. When it reacts with 1,2-diol, then protection is done, but by shifting of the position of the double bond, means alpha beta unsaturated double bond converted into beta gamma unsaturated double bond. But by using diethion derivative, then protection is done but position of the double bond is remain as same. Therefore, there is no shifting of the position of the double bond. Hence, in case of 1,3-dithione derivative, if alpha beta unsaturated ketones, the bond does not migrate to the beta gamma position. It is a more advantage by 1,3-dithione derivatives. Now, cis and trans 1,2-dione are easily protected as follows. The cis diol is protected by using benzaldehyde in Lewis acidic condition. The trans diol is protected by using acetaldehyde in acidic condition. In this case, the cyclohexanone react with 1,2-diol in catalytic amount of acid to use protection, that is 1,3-dioxazolone, that is 5 membrane containing 2 oxygen. Now, what is the chemoselectivity of this reaction? The 1,2-diol react with this reactant. There are two types of carbonyl compound. One carbonyl compound, that is ketonic carbonyl compound, other is ester carbonyl compound. Ester carbonyl compound is less electron deficient due to lone pair stabilization of oxygen, but ketonic carbonyl group is more electron deficient as compared to ester carbonyl group. Hence, protection is always done on the electron deficient carbonyl carbon. Hence, it is a more reactive carbonyl carbon for, and it is easily protected like this. Now, in this reaction, there are two types of carbonyl group. One carbonyl group having more steric effect, other carbonyl group having less steric effect. Therefore, protecting agent easily approach from the less steric hindrance. Hence, such a carbonyl group is protected preferentially as compared to these carbonyl groups like this. Now, in alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, the 1,2-diol is react with this compound. There are two types of carbonyl compound. One is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and another is simple carbonyl compound. Alpha beta unsaturated compound, in which the carbonyl group is stabilized by resonance. Therefore, it is a less electrophilic in nature. Therefore, less reactive to nucleophile compared to isolated ketones. Hence, this isolated ketone is easily protected by using such a reagent. Then this compound react with Buss reagent, then reduction of the double bond to use like this intermediate. After react with NaBS4, carbonyl converted into alcohol, and then the protection can be done in acidic condition to use this product. Now, friends, in the next video, I will discuss the protection of amine and carboxylic acid group. Thank you so much and take care.